everybody, it's Chef Judi. Welcome to my YouTube kitchen. And today we are sponsored by my dear friend, Larry Barrett from Simply Gourmet. Larry.
Ah, yes.
Cheers.
You know what? The glass is looking a little bit slim there, Judi. What do you think?
Listen,
drop more before we start.
Tell us about the one that you brought.
This is Abstract by Orrin Swift. I mean, I say by because it really, the guy's like, every bottle he creates is like a work of art to me. It really is unbelievable. And this is a beautiful Grenache.
It's just amazing.
It's crazy.
Grenache. So it's not a Grenache blend. This is
Nope, not Grenache blend. I'll put a little Syrah in there too.
Shut up.
Yep, shame on him.
Boom.
Shame on him.
But so it's so smooth. You mentioned
nice.
when we opened it,
Nice.
you said that it almost drank like a French wine.
It is, because it's well balanced. You know what I mean? Some of those California wines, like they hit you like a punch.
They do.
Like perfect with chicken
young,
wings.
And that's right. That's what a Naomi is.
This you could do with anything. So well balanced.
Give them the name one more time so they can write it down.
Abstract by Orrin Swift. Buy it. I don't get a commission, but
but maybe you should. So buy two and bring one.
There you go.
Simply Gourmet.
Tell them Larry sent you.
Okay. Hey, Larry.
Yo.
Besides being my wine guy.
Yes, ma'am.
You have an unbelievable award-winning catering company.
Thanks.
How many years?
God, 21.
Whoa!
It's crazy.
It is crazy.
It is crazy.
So you were chef to the stars.
Crazy.
And we're talking
Danny
the
DeVito,
A-listers.
Michael Douglas. Yeah, that was crazy.
You're a comedian.
I tried. I dabbled.
Well, you still dabble. And you are known for doing these unbelievable experiences. I could hire you to recreate an inaugural dinner from Kennedy's.
That's one of our biggest, and you know what? We still do at least 3 or 4 of those a year, and the numbers get a little bit bigger, so it gets a little bit more exciting every time you do it.
I want to do one because I want to dress like Jackie O.
Oh God, they had such style, and you know what's great about that? The whole thing is such a great little theatrical experience. The great thing was, I went on to Amazon, and all of a sudden I go, Jack Kennedy, President, state dinners, music. All of a sudden,
so you get that whole experience.
Yes, and
that's fantastic.
every person that was a musical guest at the state dinner was on that CD.
Isn't that beautiful?
So during I play the CD with everybody from Chubby Checker to some of the great pianists in the world. It's crazy.
We should have thought of the music for today, because today we're in another venue.
Yes.
We're really excited because you are known for your royalties.
Yes, I am.
And if you're anywhere in the state of Florida, or fly in for it, if you're in the north, you definitely should come to our warmer weather.
Yes,
You are known for these royalties, and you are now having them this year over at Moat Aquarium.
It's fantastic.
So exciting.
So we went and looked at the room again the other day.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
I love it.
And everybody gets a view of the bay.
Exactly.
And that's what Sarasota is all about, isn't it?
It is, and
honestly.
And a percentage is going to go back to clean the bay, so we're really excited about it. But what's more important is what we're going to be eating. And I've been to many of these royalties. You are making trifle today, right?
That's right. Today we're going to make a little trifle.
All
I'm going to turn this up. Let's get this going high.
All right. Do you need a whisk or anything on that? Or are you okay?
Let me see. Bada-boom!
Right in front of me. I was just going to say my drawer's right there.
Look at that. You know, that's the beautiful thing about coming here.
That's right.
I know you're loaded.
And I have 2 sets, just so you guys know. I have almost 2 sets of everything. So it's all like everything's mirrored for TV. So the nicer pans are right here. And
there you go.
But I still can't find the damn bottle opener. Right?
You know,
I must
ain't that
have
the truth?
4 of them, but that's the thing you can't find.
I knew where everything is in our house, but when somebody else cleans the dishes, all of a sudden it's a scavenger hunt.
That's right.
I have no idea.
Don't let them do the dishes. That's why.
Well, you know what? This trifle, which is it's crazy enough, means like nothing important.
Oh, let's make it up.
I say it's very important.
Let's make it up. I have to. Let's make it up. Trifle. Let's call it like British.
Yes.
Supreme.
Yes, very good. I think that would be a great idea.
If you have an idea, you can always text me.
I think it's a great idea. I like
so how many egg yolks?
This is 4 egg yolks.
Yep.
Just the yolks. Save the whites because you could always use them for something. I say make a little meringue of some sort, right? Now, what we have to do here, though, that's really important, is we don't want it. We're going to add the sugar. What? Oh my God!
Do you want it off, or do you want it to simmer?
Just on simmer would be good. And We're going to add a little sugar to these egg yolks. 9 tablespoons to the 4
Now they
egg yolks.
consider that it starts cooking.
It does. That's why I'm going like this.
Going, okay.
I'm going. As soon as you start mixing it, though, you're okay. I've got it going on. Yeah, maybe not so much, but I'm still trying. And then a little cornstarch. Always with
the
pastry.
thickening agent.
Never with savory stuff would I ever use cornstarch to thicken something.
No, I totally agree.
It would be against all rules and laws as I know them to be, Judy.
It's like using mixed gravy.
It's so true because the beautiful thing about roux is the toasting of the flour, the butter. It adds any soup I make.
It adds
it's
the
beautiful.
element. It adds the flavor to the dish. It's so
a little. If you use fake vanilla for this, I'm going to find out where you live.
We're going to find where you live.
We are.
We're going to find where you live. I'm looking around different cameras. We're going to find out where you live. And do I have any vanilla in the house? Yes. But did I walk in? Okay, so I'm going to probably get a lot of comments on this. I'm so glad that we're saving the earth. And I do believe in brown plastic bags.
Yes,
paper bags
I
over
think so.
plastic. However, can you please not fill them so big that my $29 bottle of pure vanilla extract from Madagascar doesn't smash in the middle
Well,
of
I
the
hope not. That was terrible.
I just jumped down and then rolled around.
That's what
in it.
happens. Some
Like
days,
perfume.
some days stuff happens.
It happens.
It does in the kitchen all the time. Look, I just added a little bit of salt. I beat it up, and
Okay.
now we're going to temper this. And this is so the eggs don't scramble, because otherwise if I added the eggs directly to this, boy, we have brunch. And we don't want brunch. We
You're
want
wrong.
something different.
That's so, can I hold that for
Yo, I would love you to. Thank you, my dear.
$22.95 an hour. Okay?
Oh, there you go. It's worth every
I
penny.
gotta buy some vanilla.
Oh God, I've got some going on. You can always borrow some from me.
Okay. Oh,
and then look, we're just
man.
going to add this right back in.
So just getting them used to the heat.
That's all it is.
And
now,
how's that temperature?
Now go
What,
crazy.
low? Go crazy
No,
high?
go crazy.
Oh,
Go
I'm nervous,
crazy,
I'm
girl.
nervous.
Because
It's not
there
going
we
to
go.
steam over?
No,
Okay.
it's not going to steam over.
Then you
In
don't
fact,
have to constantly?
Nope, you don't. In fact, what you have to wait for, it's a waiting process.
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy, oh boy. But we just have to wait for this to thicken up a drop.
Okay.
And see now, once it comes to a boil, and the bubbles, not just around the outside,
But they're in the
you
right-
have to wait for the middle as well.
Okay.
And once that happens, the cornstarch instantly thickens.
Thickens it up.
The egg yolks go, "Whoa, what are you doing to me? What are you doing?
Tighten me up, baby. It's like a tie. They just tighten up in this cream.
See how that's just tightening up like that?
Oh, and the aroma I'm getting.
It's beautiful, right?
Seriously, you get the eggs and the sugar together, and then you get that hit of vanilla. Or is
Nice.
that coming from my living room? I'm not sure.
It's just one of those great little,
yeah.
sometimes the best recipes are the simplest.
In my cookbook, Recipes and Reflections of Chef Judi, I have
love.
Bavarian,
Very nice.
I have Bavarian cream in there because it was one of the first things my Nana taught me to make when I was about 4 or 5 years old. If you have Bavarian cream, you could make just about anything, right?
Oh.
And you get just fruit in a bowl.
Last
Perfect
week I
pie
had some pastry cream that was hanging out, and I added a little coconut to it, and then a little bit of Myers rum, piped it into little tartlet shells. I know, shame on me. And I piped it into tartlet shells, and then sprinkled some toasted coconut on top, and made coconut custard tartlets.
Coming up next Tuesday on Chef Judi's Dish, there will
man. Now this looks like, right now it looks fine, but it doesn't have that sheen or that richness you need. So, my dear, what did I just do?
How much butter?
4 tablespoons.
Very cold butter.
Yeah, it could be warm.
Oh, okay.
It could be warm,
It's not
but
necessarily like a bear blanc. Okay.
No, it's okay that it's like this, but you just
Okay.
got to keep it moving so it doesn't all of a sudden turn into grease.
Yeah.
You know?
No, that would make me cry.
It would, and it should.
Sure. I gotta have a sip of water.
Oh, please, everybody take a sip. Oh,
Everybody
the pastry
take a
cream.
sip. Pastry
Please.
Should we play? You
gets
you
better.
can't do that with a fine bottle of wine. You can't do like a drinking game. Like everybody, you say
No.
pastry cream, you have to take a drink because you just want to linger.
And there's the beauty of that pastry cream.
Oh, show it to the camera, buddy. Come
Look at
on.
this. Look at this.
Don't look away. I know it seems a little too much to take on regular
Isn't that
TV,
beautiful?
but
You could mix any. This is your base. This is like making a chicken stock. for a dessert chef.
Oh,
right?
You're right.
Because you could mix anything into there that you want to. Any flavoring, anything works with this. And that's the most beautiful thing. Then what I've done here is I added just a drop of whipped cream and made a chantilly cream. So that lightens it up a little bit too.
It really does.
It turns it from a pudding into something special.
See? So now you don't have to buy instant pudding. You can make it yourself just like the real professionals make.
That's the way it works. And now I've got all these beautiful little glasses. We serve this all the time too. We love these little, we call them mini parfaits.
I love it. I love
it's fun.
new vehicles and vessels to use.
Right?
It's so much fun. And you guys are always really creative that way.
We try our best. You know, honestly, to do the same thing over and over again does get a little tedious. You know what I mean?
I can understand.
So it's
I'm
nice.
listening to you. I'm just going to get something to help you. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
'Cause I noticed
Oh,
that
good.
you need a
You know
little
where I'm
help
going to
with
go.
this,
I need
so.
something to push. There we go.
You need some help with this.
Yeah, there you go.
This is not going to cool down in time to use it. Notice he already has some.
That's right.
Whipped cream.
I love that stuff, though. It's great. The coconut's great in there. You know what? Mango is great in there. And you could substitute, instead of 2 cups of half and half, use 1 cup of half and half and 1 cup of a mango puree. The same thing when you make little puff pastries. When you make little profiteroles, you can take the choux, and you make them with celery juice instead of water.
Celery juice. Now, what does the celery juice do to it?
It's that aromatic lightness, that beautiful quality that only celery or onion or carrot can give. I love it. I really do.
Stick with my celery and a tuna fish. But
I've taken a little bit of strawberries. I've mixed them with a little bit of strawberry jam.
Yeah.
And a little bit of this beautiful cassis, which I do get 10% on a bottle of.
Okay, let me sniff.
There you go. Give that a sniff, honey.
Oh, it's just so.
Isn't that fantastic?
This with a little champagne.
Oh,
is
God,
just
help us.
You
God
know,
help us
and
all.
that just on whipped cream or vanilla ice cream is a nice little
Oh,
treat.
God, right? That's
Have
just
we
crazy.
talked about the pound cake that you're adding? Have
Just
we
a
talked about the teeny
simple,
little
just a
cubes?
little straight ahead,
Let's see how
beautiful
it tastes
pound
with
cake.
pastry cream.
Little tiny pieces of pound cake, because it's small bites.
That's
and
exactly.
small spoons. That's right, no doubt.
I like it.
And then
I like it.
I got these. I'm just gonna mash them a drop.
Okay.
And like that.
Oh,
and
real fresh fruit. This is great.
Why would you use anything else?
See,
You know,
that's why
right?
Simply Gourmet.
Oh, you gotta love us.
It's the real deal.
Sometimes my sous chef just shakes his head and wonders.
Like,
you know,
you're really going to take the 8 hours to do that?
You're crazy.
And every now and then you'll call me while you're in the middle
It's
of one of
crazy.
these like massive projects, and you'll say, "Judy, I'm going to be here till 5 a.m.
Yeah,
and
who knows?
Decided to add this and this and this and
Anything can happen. Anything can happen.
Anything.
Look, I'm just going to take this. I always
Okay.
recommend like this.
Oh,
Whenever you're doing vinegar,
Not
do
too
that too.
much.
But the original trifle, they use a cream sherry.
That's right.
And they soak the cake. And this whole thing started just like bread pudding on what to do with leftover stuff.
Yes.
And I love that.
I like it. Well,
right?
I like the cassis better, to be honest, than the sherry.
Me
I
too.
prefer the sherry in my savory items more, but I know
Yes.
So this is, well, you can just tell by the vessel itself. It's a non-traditional trifle.
It is.
This is not the queen's.
No, this is not the queen. The queen would have several words to have with me.
That's why I'm not wearing a hat.
That and shadows.
That's right.
Now I'm just going to puff these down like this. And as Jacques Pepin always says, impeccably clean hands.
Yes, exactly.
I'm not lying. And then just a squeeze. Look at that pastry cream. Yes, my dear. Oh, God bless us. Isn't that lovely?
So, I've been known to go to a donut shop. Yep, and
That never
eat
ends
all
well.
the Bavarian cream and throw away the donut.
Oh, that's too funny.
I don't like the donut part. I don't really like fried dough. But,
I know, right?
But then you start looking at beautiful homemade pound cake.
Right.
And the macerated berries.
I know, it's so
and
nice. Fresh
the
berries,
cream.
there's nothing like that, is there?
Nothing like it. Now this is awesome for like you're having a little pool party. Everybody gets little bites.
It's not hard to do, right?
No, it's perfect for a shower.
Right. Oh,
for
God.
a baby shower, a bridal
Yeah.
shower. This is just lovely. It's that one, but well, it's more than one bite.
There
How
we
many?
go.
4 bites.
Yeah, at least 4. It depends, but I'd say at least 4, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it depends. With us, maybe 3.
Maybe 3. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe 3.
We're not proud. We're not proud. And we just have another little.
Oh yeah, because we can. Look at that.
A little bit of this. That's the one thing as a chef too. We cook so much savory stuff, and it's so funny that most chefs just hate doing anything to deal with sweets. I just think it's the greatest.
You love it. Well, because you're creative. It's not just
I love it.
a cake. It's not just a muffin. I know.
To me, it's one of the most fun things to do. It's going back to like when Miranda came in to watch a young girl or a young guy cook this kind of stuff. It's really fun to watch because you know what? You realize again, especially the desserts, it's not serious business. It's more playing.
Yeah, you know what? You're absolutely
crazy.
right. Just stirring the pot when I was a child was so much fun for me. Getting up on the stool, right, and I'm looking for the bubbles. That was just
oh man, I must say,
stupendous.
I agree with you.
How things would change when you added sugar or butter or things like that. And we were brought up in a household where food was very important. Very important.
Very important.
These are important touches to us.
Here, let's put a blueberry
now you
right
can
there.
look at this. This is perfect for tailgating or just.
And you know what? If you go to those craft stores, like Michael's or something, they sell little plastic cups that are like 2 to 3 ounces. So what a perfect thing that is, right?
That's perfect. I love that.
I think one of the great things. Look at those.
I love it. It looks wonderful.
It looks like a trifle.
It looks like a mini trifle.
Yeah, right. And I tell you, this along with several other sweets, everybody loves this for the tea. It's
so great. And you'll have your scones and your cluttered
the scones are
homemade
crazy.
Cookies and the tea sandwiches.
Yes.
Are there 4 types of sandwiches you must have for tea?
Yes.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're going to pay a price.
Yeah,
I'm telling you. It's crazy. The first couple of years we did the tea, first we learned one thing. Never serve orange marmalade with scones. You're in for a hurt.
Ooh.
I didn't know what that was, but you have to serve strawberry jam.
Yeah.
You have to.
I did know that.
I can't believe it. Who knew? That's what I love. You love about it.
Yeah, but right.
You learn. You live and you learn. The other thing was, the first year we served granulated sugar. Oh my God! I thought somebody was going to call. I thought they were going to call 911.
They didn't have the tongs for the cubes.
No, we got tongs. We're loaded with tongs.
That was me that called.
Oh God.
Sorry. I'm sorry. After all these years.
That's all right. I learned a lot from that. But tongs and there's quite a few
cucumber sandwich.
Oh God, I didn't. The first year we didn't serve a cucumber sandwich. I made those little beautiful shoes, and I stuffed them with a vegetable mascarpone cream, and I thought I was
like all that.
Yes, and you know what? Sometimes you don't need to be all that. Sometimes you just need to be what the people want.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
I wish that could go around the world in a bigger version. Hey guys, we got to wrap it all up now. Larry, what can I say? Thank you so much. You're the best, my friend.
That's always nice.
And to Trifle and Pastry Cream.
You couldn't have said it better.